Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's sure to keep you warm during those chilly nights. Introducing the best 2 kilowatts diesel heater 12 volts. This powerful little unit is not just about heating, it's about efficiency, versatility, and convenience. This 2 kilowatts diesel air heater is designed to be your reliable heating companion, whether you're in a truck, RV, camper, or even a tent. It's compact and portable, which means you can take it wherever you need warmth. The heater features a robust 5-liter fuel tank that allows for up to 16 hours of continuous heating. That's right, 16 hours. Perfect for long trips or when you're parked up at your favorite campsite. What sets this diesel heater apart is its intelligent LCD monitor and remote control. The adjustable temperature range from 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit to 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit lets you customize your comfort level. Plus, you can easily operate it from up to 32 feet away. No more jumping out of your cozy blankets to adjust the settings. This means you can stay snug while making adjustments effortlessly. One of the most impressive aspects of this heater is its fuel efficiency. With precision technology, it consumes only between 0.16 to 0.52 liters of diesel per hour. In practical terms, this means you can stay warm without constantly worrying about refueling. The fully automated system ensures the fuel burns completely, reducing emissions and maximizing efficiency. Safety is paramount when it comes to heating appliances, and this heater has you covered. It comes equipped with overheating protection that kicks in at temperatures above 230 degrees Celsius. Additionally, the intelligent sensor prevents the heater from running dry, giving you peace of mind while you enjoy its warmth throughout the night. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the all-in-one design that saves space and includes all necessary accessories. The compact size allows for easy placement in various locations, whether it's in your vehicle's cabin, a trunk, or even in your garage. Whether you're camping in the winter, working in a cold garage, or just need a reliable source of heat during power outages, this heater is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for outdoor activities, garages, and even shop use. In conclusion, the best 2 kilowatts diesel heater 12 volts is a powerful, efficient, and safe solution to your heating needs. If you want to stay warm and cozy no matter where you are, this is the heater for you. Be sure to check the link in the description below to grab yours today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.